Hey everyone, Josh from Tapkit. Today we're going to be talking about how to make product recommendations with smart result frames and how to generally just a tutorial around smart result frames and how to use them and what they are. So smart result frames, what are they? First of all, smart result frames are essentially smart endings or results that you can change and serve based on people's decisions and choices through the main flow. So I've got an example here. So if I just click one of these, for example, you can see here, this is the smart result frame. It's the final frame in the flow, and it's deciding what frame to serve based on my choices that I'm making. So if I pick this one, it serves me one answer. If I pick this answer, it serves me a different answer, and so forth. So that's how it works, and that's what they are. Let's dig into how we set it up. So I've got the same experience here in the Tapkit builder, and as you can see on the right here, I've got my frame management. So this is essentially the journey that every customer will go through your main story, and you've got smart result frames here. You can roll over for a hint, but it's essentially what I explained is essentially what I just demonstrated, that they're the smart endings, and you can design each of these to be different and name them differently, and there you go. So that's got two questions and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possible answers. So how this is set up, so you design those out and set that up, and then what you want to do once you've done that is go back to your experience and then map out the scoring. So smart result frames work on a scoring system that you can assign a point towards a smart result frame on every widget or just one widget throughout your flow. So you can decide how you want to map it out yourself and work that out depending on obviously your goals. But if I take a look at this experience and I come over to the logic, you can see that actually this isn't assigned to any smart result frames. So I could score a point towards different ones here, but in this particular experience, this is actually just a dud question. It's more for an engagement point of view, and auto next frames turned on. So that means when anyone engages with it, it will automatically move the user onto the next frame. So that's quite nice for a user experience. If I come to this question 2, which is the main driver for this, the difference in the products. What is your skin need? So here it's asking you what you're actually looking to accomplish, and based on this one, it has logic set up to score a point towards all the different products. So it's very simple. It's one frame driving these smart result frames, and it's like a 2-question experience. So that's how it works and how you set that up. I'm going to show you another example, which is a bit more lengthy. This is for a company called Bad Norwegian. So as you can see, they've got a few more frames throughout the main experience. They're asking a bit more questions. And they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 end frames. And as you saw as I flipped through there, they're all of the same design, but they all have a different product link here. They kind of, Bad Norwegian decided to leave it as a mystery serve. They could design these like the other one with the products in the actual flow, or you can keep it as a bit of a mystery and you tap to discover the product on the website, which is what they chose to do. But what they've done here is they've asked a question about your skincare experience. So they've actually assigned here with smart result frames the more expensive products for the expert choice. So someone who's actually an expert in skincare and takes good care of their skin and invests in their skin care, they're scoring points towards the more higher tiered priced items here, whereas beginner and intermediate have none, and it's kind of clear. So experts helping drive slightly a price point there. This question doesn't have anything applied to, again, interaction. And then similar to the last one, what are you looking to overcome with your skincare? This one drives most of the decision making. So if I've got dark circles and I'm a beginner, I'm going to get served either one of these. And if I'm an expert and I get served and I pick dark circles, it will score 2. It will now have 2 points towards revitalized face. So I'm guaranteed that the expert's going to get served the higher tier priced item. So that's how it works. And each of these has a different point towards a different product and the allocation. Let's give it a preview. So if I hit beginner, go through this, and I'm looking for something for my beard care. I can go through this, capture email now, skip that, and hit to discover. I've landed on the product page for me. So this is the best suited product for me based on my skincare experience and what I'm looking to achieve. Whereas if I go back to this and I say I'm an expert, and my skin's combo, and I'm looking to improve my skin health, let's say. That's my age. Tap discover. I'm now, looking to revitalize my face. It's at a higher tier price item. This is more likely what someone's looking for from that customer. So that's Smart Result Frames in a nutshell. All set up through Logic and works on a point-based scoring system. So yeah, that's Smart Result Frames. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks very much.